Hi, everyone. This is Mrs. Nash. I'm just doing a little check-in and going to talk to you a little bit about May and kind of what the plan is for May. So I decided to do calendars. I feel it just makes more sense to me. So in March, I just felt like, oh my gosh, what's going on? It was a little bit crazy, and then April was a lot of trial and error, trying different things to see what's going to work, what's not going to work. And then May, I'm feeling like, okay, I think we got this. So it's taken a few little journeys, but we're here and it's May, and I feel this calendar is going to work well. So I just wanted to talk through it with you. So you're going to get the May fluency calendar. So I recommend printing this calendar and hanging it up on the refrigerator. That way it's visible all the time and you'll see it. It'll just be a little reminder for you or for the child to say, hey, I'm going to try one of these today. They are, they go by, weekly, Monday, Tuesday, and daily. I don't really, it doesn't matter to me which day you choose. For example, if it's Tuesday and you want to do a Monday activity, do a Monday activity. Do whatever activity you choose. It's fine. And I try to at least do one or two a week. If you get more than one done, I honestly applaud you because I know it's crazy times. All these activities shouldn't take any more than 15 minutes, 5 to 15 minutes. They're not long activities. On Mondays, they have a lot of tell something. So tell someone about insects, using your smooth speech. So really think about, okay, I'm going to talk about a caterpillar. Maybe you saw a caterpillar outside. So think about what you want to say first, kind of get a general plan of what you want to say in your mind, and then start to talk using your slow speech, okay? And then Tuesdays are listening days. All right, this is listening to people and how they talk. And remember, I've always told you that everyone stutters to some degree. It might not be a lot. You're going to hear me stutter in the way I'm talking right now, right? You just heard me like kind of pause and do a little thing. So nobody's speech is 100% fluent, right? I've always taught you that. So just listen to people's speech and just start to notice. It's just a little bit of an awareness activity. Wednesday, fluency strategies. Now it's going to talk about chunking, easy onset, like contact. Don't worry about those. You guys have always benefited from slower speech. That's just what's worked for you. So no matter what it says, for example, this one says practice chunking for the first Wednesday. Just practice your slow speech. And you do that by just practicing. I'll have you it just says practice grouping words together. I would say for this one, kind of use it as a Monday by practicing your slow speech talking about something, anything you want, so it doesn't have to be specific over here. They're going to tell you what to specifically talk about on Monday. On Wednesdays, just practice your fluency strategy, talking about anything that you want, okay, and then color in that block when you're done. Okay, I know that Wednesday one's a little bit confusing, so if you need more clarification, just reach out, okay? Thursday, choose an activity to use your smooth speech. And it gives you some like sing a song using your smooth speech, tell a joke, ask a question, read a book. So it gives you a couple different activities there. And then Fridays they have game day and smooth sentences. So play a board game using your easy speech. Okay. And then it has a checking in section as well. So anytime you had some difficulty about your speech, you can write it down. It might even be better for you to maybe even keep a little journal if you want to, and just a little check-in of how was my speech today, and then you can say, oh, it was really good. It was okay. It wasn't so good. And if it's not, if are noticing that it's not good, that's okay. We all have bad days, no matter what. It might not be with our speech. It might be something else that we have a bad day about, but yours, just focus on your speech. And if you're having a bad, that's okay. I think I've given you some strategies already about what to do if you are having a bad day and you are noticing you're having a bad day. The best thing to do is some, I call them grounding activities. When you go outside and you go for a walk and you use your five senses, you touch something and really notice how it feels. And then, smell different flowers or the grass is being cut, notice those senses. What do you hear? and what do you see? So use all your five senses, and that just kind of helps to ground you. And it like calms you down all together, all over. Because I know some of you, in your throat areas where you're feeling tension. So really notice that too, and breathe in and out, and really focus on your throat and notice how it feels. And breathe in and let those muscles relax a little bit. Breathe in. Let your muscles relax. And you could do that body scan. I have a body scan on my website, and you can listen to it. And that's when you sit down and you think about your head and relaxing your muscles. You think about your jaw and your tongue, just trying to relax everything, your neck and your shoulders, relax, down to your arms and your hips, just noticing where you feel tension, and to see if you could just let it go. Like right now, I'm holding tension at the back of my tongue. That's what I'm noticing right now. But it just starts to bring your awareness of where you're holding that tension, which may be causing some of that disfluency, a little bit of that stuttering speech. Okay. So try those two activities if you want to do that. If you want the video, I'll send it to you as well. Okay. And I'll send you the link as well on this email that I'm sending out, just so you guys have it. Okay. And you've listened to it in the classroom. It's been part of our source to stay. I've always had that video in there for you guys. Okay. And then I also included, let me find it, this daily brain breaks and activities calendar. So this is not, you don't have to do this. I stuck this in as just extra. I came across it and I thought it looked pretty cool. So Mondays are mindfulness days. So it's a lot of breathing exercises. Tuesdays are brain teaser days. Wednesdays, movement days. Thursdays, social skill days. Fridays, games and fun. It just gives you different ideas of what you can do that day, so I just thought it was pretty cool, so I included it too. Anyways, I really enjoyed this little video, making it for you guys, and I'll be reaching out and we'll do our little chat sessions so I can listen to your speech and just talk to you and see how everything's going and see if I can help you in any way. And, it's for kids and it's for the adults too. So if there's any questions you want to ask me, or have been having any trouble with the activities or anything, that's a great time to ask me as well. I'll be sending those out Mondays and Tuesdays at the latest. It just depends on how my week goes. I have a lot of meetings throughout my week. So I try to schedule these meetings in between those. So I enjoy those little sessions and reaching out to you guys and seeing you and seeing your face always makes me smile. So I hope you have a great day, and I look forward to talking to you soon.